You're watching News Leader 9 with Cheryl Renee and meteorologist Greg Majewski.
Here's a look across Columbus from our Alpha Insurance Skycam at Ashley Furniture Home Store. Temperature 77 degrees, and Greg joins us with a look at our forecast.
Yeah, we knew we were going to have the clouds around for today, and that's really going to have a big impact on those temperatures. Not expecting the 90s like we had all weekend.
Right.
93 yesterday, and not going to see that today. It should stay mostly in the 80s. It's a question of when that rain's going to flare up.
Right.
Today. And I don't think it'll be nearly as bad as yesterday.
Yesterday we were talking, yes, man.
Just kind of rocked your house, didn't it?
Heavy rain and lightning and thunder.
Yeah, well, hopefully we won't see that again for today. Let's go ahead and take a look right now at the .9 radar network as we're seeing a clear sweep on the radar for right now, and maybe later this afternoon we'll get on a little more action out there, but pretty quiet right now. And you can kind of see how the clouds are kind of setting up a little bit. It's a little more sunshine to the south and to the north. Here in Columbus, we're at 76. You kind of see this little yellow area in there, kind of indicative of where the clouds are a little thicker. 82 in Alexander City, 81 in Americus, and 81 degrees down in Albany. What's going on? We got a stationary boundary here just to our south. So we got a little bit of an easterly wind with high pressure up there. And again, it's going to kind of keep the clouds over us a little bit. Go a little bit closer here. See the clouds, a little more sunshine over in Alabama than what we're seeing over into Georgia. But with that boundary there and some daytime heating, we should still see some scattered showers and thunderstorms for this afternoon. I don't expect it to be quite as widespread. Maybe some localized heavy rainfall amounts, but I don't think we're going to see that widespread 2+ inches we had, especially over many areas across areas of east central, west central Georgia, I should say, throughout the day yesterday. So what we're going to see here, put this into motion for you again. Hit and miss scattered storms for today, settling down for tonight. And then heading into Tuesday and Wednesday, I think the rainfall will be a little more isolated out there. Not going to really amount to a whole lot. In fact, as the rain chances go down, the temperatures are going to shoot back up, back into the lower 90s once again. Now, folks have been asking, when are we going to get a cold front in here to actually cool things off? Well, here it is, back here toward the west. This system here will be arriving in our area coming into sometime on Friday and into the weekend, and that should lower those dew points. The temperatures will come down, and we'll see kind of feeling more normal and maybe a little touch to fall in the forecast heading into early next week. So look at our zone forecast here, breaking it down for you. Get about a 40% chance of rain for the northern zones. Temperatures today into the 80s, 84 for Pine Mountain, 85 in Lafayette. So the model has backed off the temperatures a few degrees here because of the cloud cover. Here in the central portion areas here, 85 in Buena Vista, 88 in Columbus. If we're lucky, if we break some sunshine, it may get closer to 86. We'll see how that works out for us for today. And for our southern zones, 87 for Eufaula, 86 in Albany, and 85 degrees in Americus. How about the next 7 days? Here's how it's shaping up for us. We're going to warm right back up. Low 90s for Wednesday at 92 degrees. 93 degrees on Thursday. Then we wait for the arrival of that cold front that'll be coming in heading into Friday and heading into Saturday, and the temperatures will back off. And depending on how much of a push we get of that cool air coming south, maybe those temperatures will be maybe a couple degrees even cooler there, but mid-60s Sunday morning will feel pretty nice.
Looking forward to that. All right, thanks, Greg. Video of a fight between